So once you have the car in the air, we're going to split the exhaust here. It's going to allow us to lower the front section. So you're going to remove the 4 13mm bolts holding these clamps on. I just put something underneath these center resonators. If you're doing this on jack stands, you can just put a jack under them, and then you're going to slide the clamps rearward. And that's going to allow us to lower the exhaust. We're going to loosen up 7 nuts here that hold this splash shield on. Remove the 8 16mm bolts holding this brace on. Remove the 4 16mm bolts holding the rear brace. Remove the 2 13mm bolts at the front of the gas tank that hold this little bracket on.
You need it.
Yeah, I don't even know what color it is.
Move the exhaust hanger to the left of the gas tank. Cut the OEM carrier off. We're going to make 2 cuts, one here and one on this side.
It's on the ground.
And now we're going to cut the outer frame here off completely. And then we're going to take this center rib almost all the way down. We're going to add the new carrier. You're going to go text forward. Kind of alternate back and forth. A little bit of gap here is okay. Now when we bolt the new carrier up, we're going to use these isolation dampers. So you're going to go bolt, big fender washer into an isolation damper. That's going to go through the carrier. And then on the top, you're going to add another isolation damper, and then the smaller washer. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, carrier, isolation damper, small washer. Now we still have this loose. You want to get a line of sight on the drive shaft. There is some left-right adjustment, so make sure that the drive shaft is as centered as it can be, and then tighten the bolts up.
Comes with the video.
I just want to drive your race car.
Arrange that too, I suppose. That's what it took.
He hasn't thrown that out there, is it?
No, he hasn't, has he?
That's a perk, no.